So it's like 8 in the morning. I just got to work. I left this machine going all night. This is a CR10 S Pro from Creality. It's that one with the shitty fucking non-contactless sensor thing. But anyway, look at this. I just had to make a video about this. I've never seen this happen on any 3D printer ever. Look at the magnetic build plate, right? Look, I printed this big "We Are Open" sign, so I can stick it out the front of the shop and color all this in with black texture, all the letters, so "We Are Open" stands out. But look, this sign is all stuck to the magnetic build plate, right? Look how it's warped. Do you see that U? It's buckled the magnetic build plate off the magnetic strip. Can you see how it's done that? Isn't that crazy? In person, it's very easy to see. Look at it. It's all bent. This is normally completely flat, by the way. And when you put it on there, that's completely flat. The bed and the magnetic sticker thing. And look, it's made that buckle. It's stuck in a buckled position. I don't know how well the camera's picking this up. Let me just, hang on. Let me turn it around. Can you see how it's buckled? I just came to work and this was finished and it was on there like this. And look at it. I've never seen any 3D print ever do that. Obviously because it's got a massive area and it's thin. And because it's a thin print and it's got a fairly large area, just the shape of it, it's obviously kicked up like a banana because of the heat and all that shit. And just the way this print is, the structure of it. But I've never seen that ever happen, ever. I've never seen this magnetic build plate get bent like that. Let's just quickly take it off and see if it goes flat. There it is there. Here's the magnetic build plate. And voila, it's back to its normal size. You see that? Shape. Normal shape. Not size, you fucking dumb cunt. Shape. Back to its normal shape. Look at that. Isn't that fucking weird how that happened? It's because I've used all this glue, see? What I did is I got the fucking glue stick, because this shit is more important than Jesus Christ. I'm telling you. When you got a 3D printer, no matter what fucking surface you're printing on, this is more powerful than God himself. You don't use this shit, 1 out of 10 prints, even if your fucking printer is in perfect condition, or the fucking bed is perfect, it will still fuck up. So you put this shit on, never fucks up, ever. Believe me. I've been doing this shit for a while, and I know that what I just said's correct. We are open, come in, cunt. I should have wrote.